Good. Charlie, ready? Come.
3 months on the road. Come on. They want to see you get up.
To cook our dinner for tonight. We are having rigatoni with Alfredo sauce and meatballs, and then I'm also going to make us some garlic bread. So I'm gonna get that started, and I'm gonna get our water boiling first. So using our propane grill, I got our water starting to almost get to a boil. Whenever that gets boiling, I'll put our pasta in, and then our meatballs I have packed and ready from home to save space in the cooler. I'll put those in the pan and start heating those up. I got a little helper helping me out with dinner. So about 5 minutes left on the pasta. Meatballs are looking brown. I'm gonna pour our sauce in with the meatballs, get that heated up, And then by the time that's nice and warm, then our noodles should be ready to get mixed in. So pasta's done, mixed in with the sauce and the meatballs, trying to keep that warm. And I'm finishing up with the garlic bread. It's too cold, my butter won't thaw, so I just had to melt butter on the bread. And we're just doing a little garlic salt on the bread, going back in the pan, and then dinner time. And here's finished product. Not too bad for camping. It's not bad. Not bad.
What's up, guys? We just got camp all packed up. We're about to head back into town. We just wanted to get on here and thank you guys for watching another video.
Next weekend we're going into Arizona. There is a camping expo we're going to, so make sure to like and subscribe so you guys can check out our next trip.